So you guys remember, our goal this week is to read a short story and to write a 3 to 5 paragraph essay. For this question, I want you to break down this prompt and turn it into a 1-sentence question. That way you'll know what question we're trying to answer as we read the short story. So our task is to write a 3 to 5 paragraph essay in which you analyze how Thurber's use of contrast characterizes Walter Mitty in the reader's mind. What I want you to do here is turn that task into a simple question so we can focus on that as we read. Remember, contrast means the state of being strikingly different from something else in close association to it, and characterization is how an author reveals a character to the reader. So what this question is really asking you is, analyze how the author, Thurber, uses contrast to reveal something about his character Walter Mitty. So your answer should look something like this, because we're turning this into a question. What does Thurber's use of contrast tell us about Walter Mitty as a character? That is all we're really trying to figure out. So when we start reading, I'm going to be asking you questions about how did Thurber use contrast here, and what did that tell us about the main character, Walter Mitty?